How's it going, y'all, and welcome back to Redneck Vapory. Today I am bringing you Sons of Vapor, Texas. This one is called TIG. Alright, so we have run into a lot of cereal flavors, right? Well, that's what this flavor is. This is TIG by Sons of Vapor, 3 milligram. This is the 30 mil. And normally it runs about $19.99. I got just a single coil in here, parallel build. Cranked it up about 50%. So. Alright, so let's kind of talk about the flavor, talk about clad production. And basically what it does to your cotton and coils. First thing, flavor. Alright, flavor's pretty fucking spot on. I've said it in videos and in the past. You get a lot of juices that like to, they have your high notes and you have your low notes. This one has a bit of both. You can definitely taste that higher note of a berry. And for those who are not tracking, this is a like a Fruit Loop type thing. But you definitely got the subtle berry in there. And then on the exhale, you got kind of a creamy, like milk taste. Yeah. Production, as you can tell, produced pretty well. I do believe it's a 70-30 blend. Not bad. And pretty good production. Alright, so I put these coils in yesterday. Alright. As you can see, it's kind of changed the color a little bit. Alright. So, the sweetener, and this is going to be any juice that is created. There's sweeteners that gunk up the coils, this, that, and the other, but this is holding up. It's not getting it too bad. There's a lot of juices out that, shit, you leave it overnight and it's fucked. So, why don't we go ahead and crank up this power, huh? See how it performs at about 75%. And the nicotine's not too harsh. So I like that. It's not a straight throat hit. So, smooth flavor, smooth nicotine. After it sits for a minute, you can kind of feel it, and it feels pretty good. What would I do differently? Not much, really. Would it be a premium blend? Depends on the lab that they make it in. I haven't seen the lab. I haven't really seen, like I said, haven't seen the lab. So, depends on the ISO levels, this, that, and the other. Hey, you saying hi? So, anyways, so this is TIG by Sons of Vapor, Texas. The owners, great people. Laney Baldwin, great juice right here. I got a whole line. Every weekend, I'm gonna go ahead and basically it'll take me a week to kill this bottle. Highly doubt it, but that's how often I'll do the reviews. I know. Good girl. So it'll take me. I'll go ahead and do them every weekend. One juice every weekend, and we'll go from there. If y'all are curious where to get it, send me a message. And I'll go ahead and let you know. Other than that, it's the shop is located out in Tyler, Texas. Like I said, great people, great shop. So very welcoming, should I say. You got pool tables, you got bar at their Green Acres location, and they have, I believe it's 3 locations out in Tyler, Texas. So this is East Texas. For those people who are out there, go ahead and drive out there. Great shop, friendly staff, and very comfortable. But anyways, sorry, I'm working on my push. But all right, so that's about it. Sons of Vapor, Tig by Sons of Vapor, and like I said, it's pretty damn good. I've yet to try the other ones. I've tried Jack's, obviously Tig, and that's about it. There's a total of 7 flavors, so 7 weeks, y'all will have reviews. So y'all take it easy. This is Redneck Vapory, and thank you for watching. Bye.